You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got many more videos. You're going to learn so much on this channel. Subscribe. So, two words that have the exact same pronunciation in English. They are pronounced exactly the same way. Now, there are differences in the pronunciation in British English and American English. So, the British English in the UK, it's pronounced new, okay? So, the top word is the past tense of the verb to know, knew. I knew it, new. And new is something that is brand new, sorry. Now, in American English, the Americans say it as new, okay? So not new, new. The Americans say, I knew it, or it's a new, shiny car, or New York, new, okay? So British English, new. American English, new. Can you hear the difference? Did you know that? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.